Customizing your environment for a better end-user experience. Follow these steps to enhance the user experience by customizing your environment. 1. Access customization settings. Go to Tenant Administration in your portal. Click on Customization. 2. Edit default settings. You have the option to edit the default settings or configure multiple policies with group assignments if you have different groups of users with varying requirements, e.g., a single tenant with multiple subcompanies. For this guide, we'll focus on amending the default settings. Click Edit next to Settings. Tip: to preview your changes, visit portal.manage.microsoft.com/portal.microsoft.com. 3. Customize settings by section. Branding. Here, you can personalize the look of your company portal. Add your logos for dark and light modes. Set your organization's colors and name. Choose whether to display just the logo or both the logo and the organization name. Support information. Configure the details shown in the company portal's help desk. Use the additional information field to provide support hours, out-of-hours contact details, or a physical location if you allow drop-ins. Configuration. Define what users can and cannot do within the company portal. Device enrollment. Decide whether to enable the Enroll button. Provide a link to your public privacy statement. Privacy message. Customize the default iOS, iPadOS privacy message if needed. Device categories. If you have predefined categories, you can prevent users from selecting their own category. App sources. Choose which additional applications are displayed in the company portal. This can include enterprise applications registered in Intra, Office Portal apps, or Configuration Manager applications if co-managed. Be mindful that selecting too many options can clutter the company portal. Hide features. You can hide certain options from users, such as the Remove button to prevent unenrollment or the Reset button to avoid accidental resets that could lead to user complaints. Thumb 4. Save your customization. After configuring your settings as needed, click Review plus Save. Ensure everything is set up correctly, then click Save. By following these steps, you've successfully customized the settings to improve the user experience.